video I'm showing you how to make jelly zombie eyeballs. Great idea for Halloween cake decoration. Here I am blooming my gelatin in some cold water. Meanwhile, you're going to get some water, some sugar and white food colouring, and you're going to then give it a little stir. Heat the water, don't boil it. Then you're going to add your bloom gelatin and stir till the gelatin is melted. Once all melted, you're going to pour in a jug. Don't forget to leave some aside for your colouring for your eyeballs. Pour in the moulds and set in the fridge till firm. Once firm, you're going to demould them. I sit mine in a little bit of hot water just to get it out of the mould. Once all out of the mould, then you're going to make the colouring for the eyeball. To do that, you're going to get your leftover jelly that you've had and heat it up. Then you're going to add your colourings, blue, green, black and red. Pour a little in each. Use a piping tip for the round eyeball. Put it on like so. Get a paintbrush, paint the eyeballs, then paint the middle, then add a little dot for the black iris, red for the veins. How spooky and cool and great for Halloween. The kids will love it too. Cheers, guys.